Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in fitness equipment. Today, we're diving into the world of workout mats. And I'm here to tell you why the Sunny Health and Fitness Foam Fitness Equipment Floor Mat is the best jump rope mat available in the market. Now, when it comes to protecting your floors and enhancing your workout experience, not all mats are created equal. But fear not, because Sunny Health and Fitness has got you covered with their top-of-the-line foam fitness mat. Let's start by taking a closer look at the features that make this mat stand out from the rest. First off, durability. This heavy-duty mat is made with high-density PVC foam material, ensuring greater durability and comfort. Say goodbye to scratches on your floors and hello to a longer lifespan for your workout equipment. Whether you're jumping rope, doing high-intensity interval training, or using heavy equipment, this mat absorbs vibration like a champ, protecting both your fitness gear and your floors. But wait, there's more. Not only is this mat durable, but it's also incredibly convenient. Thanks to its compact size and lightweight design, you can easily roll up the mat and store it away when not in use. No more bulky gym equipment cluttering up your space, simply roll and go. And let's not forget about safety. With its high-density, non-slip performance surface, this mat provides unparalleled stability during even the most intense workouts. Whether you're sweating it out on the treadmill or mastering your jump rope skills, you can trust that this mat will keep you grounded and secure. Plus, the Sunny Health and Fitness Foam Fitness Equipment Floor Mat is waterproof and sweat-resistant, making cleanup a breeze. Simply wipe it down with a damp cloth, and you're good to go. No more worrying about lingering odors or stains, just a clean, fresh surface every time you work out. So there you have it, folks. The Sunny Health and Fitness Foam Fitness Equipment Floor Mat is hands down the best jump rope mat on the market. With its unbeatable combination of durability, convenience, safety, and easy cleanup, it's a must-have for any home gym or fitness enthusiast. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest fitness gear. Until next time, stay fit and fabulous.